Alright guys, welcome back to 2023-2024 season. You ain't seen me in a while, you definitely ain't seen Sam in a while, probably since our last triple that we put down. We're going to go out on an all-nighter tonight based on conditions. They couldn't get any better really. We've got about 20 spots in mind. Don't know how far we're going to get, don't know what kind of luck we're going to have. The availability is definitely there. The conditions seem to be right, so it ain't gonna be for lack of not trying. We're gonna get out and try to do our best. So we're both itching. We ain't been out coyote hunting. Just I went to Kentucky and we put down 3 or 4, and I think Sam's broke the ice, but
I'm on the board with 1.
We just been deer hunting, been family stuff. Christmas is coming, but we're gonna try to get out tonight and put a bunch down for you guys, and hopefully try out the new critter getter on the Ranger. So hope you don't try.
Stack them up.
Stand number 1, getting ready to go down. Well guys, kind of a screwed up deal. We come over here to a spot. This is stand 6. Stand 6, we called it a bobcat. Saw a fox when we got here. We heard coyotes off in the distance, but it's been dry. 3rd stand, we had some answer, couldn't get them in, but they had just been combining in the field. This coyote slipped up on me out of nowhere, about 100 yards. Got it down, we're gonna go over and pick it up. We're gonna go right across the street, hit another spot, just keep grinding. Ain't gonna burn a whole lot of video, but first one down of the night. Right, Sam?
That's it.
It's gotta stay after it. Stand number 6. It's tough, man. Getting cold out here. Go pick it up.
Shoulder punt. Tell you what, it's about time, ain't it?
Yep.
Man. Male. I don't know, he ain't too shabby. Busted him right in the shoulder. Pretty dog, just average looking coyote. Let's see what he feels like, Sam. 32 pounds. You know what I mean?
Yep.
We'll take him though. Daggone.
It's pretty.
We'll take him, man. It's been dry. Yeah, we got a long drag. We might be able to. You think all this is planted?
This over here doesn't look planted.
We might be able to get the ranger over here. We can drag him. What do you want to do?
It's up to you.
Long drag. I guess let's try to drag him. We'll go get another one.
Let's do it. All right, Sam, you do the honors. Load him up on the new critter getter.
Here we go.
First one on the new critter getter. We'll take him.
Need a few more of those.
Yep. Well, let's go across the road, see what we can do.
Let's get this.